What's the rest of it? Does it have a dance to go with it?
Make the Barbie dance.
Very good. Yay! Is it finished? Is it done? Okay.
That's what my baby says. And my heart starts pumping. Never gonna stop. Get you, girl. That I love you. That I love you. Woohoo! Okay,
Yay!
Me. Go down.
But Anthony, what happened this morning? You said you had a headache.
I got aggravated.
You got aggravated? Why?
Like too much aggravating. My mommy taking my green marshmallows out.
Oh.
Shimmy, shimmy, do. Now it made my head get red. Shimmy, shimmy.
Are you over it now?
You better be over it now.
Yep. Oh man.
Did you see that?
Do it again.
Okay, let's do it again. Let's
Okay, and are you taping too? Oh, you got it on camera too?
Let's do an instant replay.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
And on camera. It's on camera.
Go ahead.
Yay!
Yay!
You're the man.
It's on camera. Did you see that flip back? 1. 1, 2, 3.
All right, make a wish, blood counts. All right, I'm gonna do it quick.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Get on the cake just like
Stop,
your brother.
stop.
Let it go.
Do it one more time. Happy birthday to you.
Pull yours out, yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Yay.
All right,
You did.
that's not. Get your face
You're
out of
gonna
here.
burn your nose now.
Close enough.
Here's the B. Now we need the letter I. Which one is the I? There! Next comes the G. Where's the letter G? There! There's the G. B-I-G. Sing! Now we need the word N. First, we need the letter N. Do you see the letter N? There! There's the N. The other ducklings are getting cherries with their beaks. I want to get cherries with my beak too. And a cherry. Oops. Yummy.
Woodpecker.
Quackers. Super ears.
Here's the tufted titmouse.
Help! Cue the sparkle. Cue the music. Princess Crashdown to the rescue! With my magic spelling wand, I can spell the word pull, so Duckling can pull his beak out of that tree. Wands up. Spell with me. Mia, I love you. How about you? That what? And you, because I love myself.
Wow, look at them big bubbles. Put it on the barbecue, Mia. Yeah, where you going? You done?
Yeah.
What's that, Aunt? Done? You're gonna put them in the garage?
Yep.
Good boy. Dip it in and put it on there, and you'll make bubbles, Mia.
No. I'm hungry. I want to get Wendy's today. Okay. Can we get Wendy's?
Okay, so it's currently 3:10 on March the something 10th, March the 10th, and Papa went to go get the kids. I'm home alone because I overdid it today with the walking. So I was going to go lay down and ice my back, but then I noticed that there's this bag full of candy on the table. And since I'm up for Mother of the Year award anyway, I figured I would take all of the candy that was in this little white bag, and I'm going to hide it in this Food Town bag. There's some, let's see what we got here. Jelly Pop, Ring Pops, and there's Jolly Rancher Chews, and some Laffy Taffy. I see a Twizzler in there. A whole bunch of good stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bag, Food Town bag, I'm going to wrap it up. And I'm going to put it in the corner where nobody will suspect it. And I replaced the candy with, oh, let's see, some plastic forks, some Taco Bell hot sauce and mild sauce and fire sauce, and some Wendy's straws, a few napkins, and plastic knives, a stirrer. So we'll see what happens when the kids come home. I'll have the camera ready for them to dig into their surprise bag. They're going to get a surprise.
No, not there.
Really good? Go put that in the garbage.
And I was really good.
Take off your socks and shoes.
Really good. Me too.
All right, and then you guys can pick. You can pick out a treat from the bag on the table.
With looking in or without?
The one from the Welsh Farms. Where's Mia? Don't wait. Wait for your sister. Wait for your sister.
I'm here. Who do you think?
All right, go ahead, guys. Pick a treat.
Hey,
What?
there's no candy.
I didn't say candy. I said pick a treat.
Hey. Oh man, that's not fair.
Oh, wait, you got a fork? Is there a straw in there? Alright, well, that's not too bad.
Then we can't eat that.
And this is why I need to be nominated for Mother of the Year. Thank you very much.
Sally, take it out.
Hailing outside. Look at it bouncing off my car. What the hell is going on here? And there's the rivers. Nice weather. Hear it.
Come at your face. That's it. Like you're gonna protect your face, right? Here. Protect your face. Now here. All right.
Almost.
Let the ball come to you. Okay. Here, let coach. Watch coach throw me. Fall right. It'll come right to your guard. All you have to do is get under it. There you go. All
Oh.
right. There you go. Watch it.
One more.
Right here. This is a throw practice now.
Wait.
Right here. Throw it right to him.
That's it. Use your front foot. That foot right up. All right. Now, when you throw, you're throwing your right hand. So look. When you throw, step with your right foot and throw. Step with the same side you throw. Throw your step, okay? How you doing? Step. Not there. Like that. That's it. That's it. Good. You're only throwing straight. Good. That's good, bud. Fundamentals. You go. You just gotta learn. Know what you gotta do, Anthony? You see this leg here? No, it's not drilled into the ground. You can move it. Just remember, you can move that leg and you can throw. Right. That's the same. You're doing the right thing by throwing. Anthony, I'll throw on the toe. Look, watch my feet. See? Step. Go. You want to leave? You want to come forward with it? Try one more. They beat the red side. Got it. Step drop. Right? You can move this. Lift that up and plant there. Step. That's right there. You can always
Pretty
push
good.
up. Right. Go back. Yeah. I get backwards because I'm lefty and you're all right.
You know what I've been doing with him? I've had him sideways to it. Try to open him up. That's why he's getting confused.
Okay.
All right?
That's all right. Come to your right.
Switch legs.
There you
go. That's it, big guy.
That's it. Good
Yay.
job. See, you picked it up quick. Picked it up quick, buddy. That's it, buddy. Nice and straight. That's it. That's it. That's perfectly straight. Beautiful. Good job. One more throw, Anthony. Nice and straight. That's good. Nice. Right there. That's perfect. Good and straight. Throw good now.
What you know right now is just...
Back.
He's right.
Coming, I swing. Coming, feel good. Feel good? And you're going back right. Alright? Now, here's the trick. Now, here's a rule, guys. Here's a rule. When one of the coaches is coming up to help you, you cannot swing the back. Alright? Now, swing one. Just like that. Your foot on your head. Move the back way. There you go. Pretend it's like a line. So that little corner, that's where you want your foot. Now, I'm going to put the
Christopher, right? Christopher, move over here a little bit. Right here. This first base is over there, so you play away from first base. Right here. Stand, all right? Roll her. Keep going over here, okay? You ready? All right.
Now you see that part of that where the ball's going to be? That's how you get a nice hit, okay? Hold the line up. Get in your stance.
Yeah, switch hands. Switch hands. Yeah, you got it.
All right, everybody to feel ready? Yeah. Now you gotta be ready because you can hit hard. You gotta be ready. Swing and hit the ball. That's it.
Yay.
Good catch. Stop, right. Stop.
Throw it back and down.
Good hit. Get up.
Before you swing, measure up. Remember how I said stick the bat up? Now you see you're a little close? Back up a little. Alright, you go to measure up. You measure up. Make sure you measure it right. Wait, alright, now. Always keep your eye. That's it. That's not bad. Good job.
Good job.
Wait.
Hold on, buddy. You gotta watch out. That was nice, bud. Okay,
Very good.
All right, do one more hit, and then we'll rotate from third base around. And you're gonna go to third base. You're gonna go out there. One more hit. Watch it, buddy. You gotta pay attention. That's it. All right, that's it, buddy. Play this up.
Good job, guys.
You want your hat? You got it.
Good hit, Anthony.
Come over here.